In this video, I will show how to work on Zhao Zhao and Junior midterm presentation practical work. Alright, in order to do this assignment, you need to have this TSC presentation file, which is from Fang Fang and Chicha. Alright, Fang Fang and Chicha is the one who created that TCS presentation file. In case you might not have that, when I upload this video, I will upload the file also in the description too, so that you can download and practice if you want to. All right, let's see. It said TCS have asked you to update the style for the presentation created in the previous tag. See, that is what I am talking about. All the slices except the title slice. So you need to open the old slide that you already created. I mean, your friend created. Open TCS presentation file. This is how the presentation should look like. So on midterm presentation day, Fang Fang and Chicha will do their work first, and then Zhao Zhao and Junior will follow. All right. The file should look like this. The instruction said, okay, I opened the wrong one. All the slices except the title. So the first slide is yellow, orange slice. We will not do anything, but we are going to change the rest. So they want to add a new feature. The first one is that we need to add a blue star as the new logo. Position in the top right corner and resize to a height of 3.5. So in order to edit all the slide, we have 4 blue sides here. In order to edit all the slices, you need to get into slide master, which is in the view menu. And then you will see slide master here. All right, so click the slide master. And then you will see like this. On the left, you will see the orange and also blue. First of all, we are going to remove this logo because it said we need to replace with a blue star. Remove that. And then you are going to insert a shape, which is a star shape, this one. And you are going to draw a random star. All right. And then it said on the top right corner, so it should be on the top right. The next thing is you need to edit the height of the star. So how do you do? After you click this star, you need to go to the height and width here, and then you click this little arrow. Then you will get this menu option where you can edit freely. And instead the height of 3.5, now it is showing in inches. It's okay, just type 3.5 and then followed by cm, which stands for centimeter, and then press enter. I make a mistake. Actually, you don't forget to check this log aspect ratio. If you do not check this, you will make the same mistake as mine, and I don't want you to do that on your midterm, okay? 3.5 centimeter. There we go. The star should look beautiful like this, not like too tall, all right? Okay, and the next instruction, so it should look like this, and we need to type TCS. The text TCS placed inside the style in a suitable font, so you don't need to care about the font, just type. How do you type inside this shape? Just double click the shape around the middle. See, there is a cursor now. Then you can type TCS. The font may be a little bit big, but don't worry, you just need to select that and then reduce the font size. There we go. Now it looks as they wanted in the picture. Okay, the next step is it said a 3 to 5 point line vertically positioned about 2 centimeters from the left margin. So you need to draw a line. In this slides, we already have a horizontal line, but they ask you to draw vertical line. So go to the line in the home tab, or you can go to insert shape, and the line is the same. And you need to draw a line on the left side vertically. Make sure your line is straight, okay? Okay, I get this is straight. All right, after you draw a line, it said the thickness should be 3 to 5 point. So if you click the line, you will see this and go to the width here. Instead of 0.5, you just make it 3 and it will become thick, and we don't want a blue line, so you can change the color here, or you can change here. Maybe this one is better. Let's go with the red line. There we go. All right, it said vertically positioned about 2 centimeters from the left margin. So this side is the left, and it should be 2 centimeters away. How do we know that? So you need to go to this one, shape, size and position, the last one in the shape format. And then you go to the position. You will see horizontal position. Horizontal position means this position. Vertical is from top to bottom. All right. And it said vertically position about 2 centimeters from left margin, which means you need to position from left to right. It is this one, vertical position, 2 centimeters. Just type 2 centimeters and then press enter. Oh, sorry. It should be this one, horizontal position, 2 centimeters. All right. Now it moves left to right instead of top to bottom, okay? Okay, the next instruction is that the existing horizontal line should be updated from 2 to 5 point line horizontally positioned about 2 centimeters from the left margin. So you need to change the size into 3 to 5. You can choose one. It is the existed one, so click this. And then you're going to change the size into from 4 to 5. There we go. Now it become more thicker. And then it should be horizontally positioned about 2 centimeters from the left margin. So from the left here, it should be 2 centimeters away from the left margin. So you need to change horizontal position into 2 centimeters. Press enter. All right. Your line may be out of the slide, but it's okay. Just move your slide a little bit to the right at the bottom. Scroll bar. And then you can resize this to fit your slide just like this. All right. The next instruction said 3.5 centimeters from the top. So from top to bottom, you need to move from the top 3.5 centimeters, which is vertical position. 3.5 centimeters, and then press enter. See, now it looks better than the way it was before. The logo is also perfectly on the top. All right. Okay, the next instruction is you need to create a text box which displays Trainil computer solution. So you are going to go to home and select the text box here. Around the middle, just type Trainil computer solution. There we go. And then it's set to display on each slide. If you are editing the master slide, whatever you do, on this, it will affect all of your slices. That is the benefit of using master slide. All right. So this description is already done automatically because we are using master slide to edit it. And the next part, it said 40 points and serif font and also right align. Align where? Next to the logo. Okay, so we just need to make it 40 points, serif fonts, and also right align. So select all the letter you just type, change the font into serif. It will ask like this, but just press OK. It's okay because we don't have the font. And change the size into 40 points. There we go. It become a little big. But it's okay. We just reposition it to make it around the center of the logo. Not too high, not too low. Okay. There we go. And it is also aligned it on the right. All right. Number Q is also done. What about instruction number R? It said today date in the footer of each slide left align. So we need to insert date, left aligned it, and slide number right aligned it. So when you use master slide, you will notice something. The date is already at the bottom. See, left and right. It is page number, but it will not show number yet. Now we already have the date, but the problem is when you exit the master slide, look at this, the date is gone. Where did it go, right? So we need to figure that out. Go back to master slide. And if you look carefully, the date is gray out. And if you look at the shape option, it also has text option. And the thing that we want to display is a text, not the rectangle box. So you need to go to text option. And then you need to choose solid line, which will make the text appear. See? And also this one, it is the page number or slide number. Choose solid line, the same. Oh, sorry. I need to change this into text option first. We already changed it, solid line. Okay, you need to select the text first, otherwise it will not show. Okay, now if you exit the master slide, it should be showing, but for some reason. Okay, so instead of selecting only, you need to edit the date too. So how do you do that? Select the date and go to insert. You will see date and time here. Okay, let's change to something else. Okay, I want this one. And also the slide number. There we go, now we have that. Go to the text option, solid line. Wait, J. And this one is also correct. Okay, now let's check it out. I hope we solved the problem. Okay, stay exit. Let's see. What am I doing wrong here? Background font color slide master. Okay, if you have the same problem like me, just go to this search box and type insert number. All right, type this, insert number. Oops, Wait, that doesn't fit the problem we are having right now. So let me find it out. Okay, why it didn't save by the way? It should be working by now. Text outline, test field, and also this one. Solid. Okay, that is how you solve the problem. Um, After you finish, edit in master slide like this. After you change to the date that you want and also the slide number that you want, you need to close master view. And then you need to come or click any slide of this blue slide. Go to insert tab and then choose date or slide number. Either one is okay. And then you will see slide and it said include on date. You need to check this and also slide number. See, now it will appear. Just click apply. You should have click apply to all. Okay. Now it appear on the second slide, that slide, fourth slide, and fifth slide. What about the first slide? It's also a half year. All right. Okay, that is how we fix that. So it said on each slide. Now we already made uh, the date and the number of the slide appear on all the slices. All right, the last thing is you need to add animation and transition. This one is quite easy. I think you guys can do it without my help. So go back to PowerPoint. You just need to add some animation. Let's see, add animation about this and candidate name. Just leave it like this. Do some animation. Maybe you can do, oh, I cannot animate the logo. Yeah, because it was added by master slide. So, okay, so you can animate this. Do different animation for each slide, okay? Random blah. There we go. This one, grow and turn. Okay. And the last one, I just say zoom. Okay, now you need to add transition from the first slide. That is the transition. You can either put, wipe, split, reveal, cut, or you can do more awesome animation like curtains if you want. They even have aeroplane translation. They said airplane or origami if you want to. So just choose any translation is fine. All right, after you finish everything, it said open the TCS presentation, save in Practical 4.2 practice activity, and apply all the feature described above to the master slide. We already opened TCS presentation and apply it already, so we can skip the T step. We don't need to do this anymore. All you need to do now is save your presentation with the file name. So this is the name of the file. You just save like that. And then your work is done. So go back to your file, save as. Okay, this is the folder underscore update. Okay, click save. All right, this is how you finish the instruction given for this group. All right. I hope you guys will be able to do better than me without mistake, okay? And midterm presentation is graded individually. So divide your work equally between your partner and you, okay? All right, good luck and also Happy New Year, by the way. See you at class.